Stop scrolling. You don't want to miss this one. USBC is lighting up the tape, and the reasons are crystal clear. Imagine a company with fresh leadership, a bold crypto-forward strategy, and a flood of new capital. That's the USBC story right now. If you like breakout stories, buckle up. Meet USBC Inc., a newly transformed, forward-looking company that's rewriting the playbook. Once known under another name, USBC has repositioned itself at the crossroads of finance and digital innovation. This is a company that's pivoting fast into deposit token initiatives, digital dollar platforms, and crypto treasury strategies. With a fresh team at the helm and a clear focus on building modern digital finance infrastructure, USBC is stepping into a space where growth can happen quickly and visibly. Big headline-making moves are already on record. First, USBC announced an increase in its at-the-market sales agreement to $14.5 million on the NYSE American, a clean, efficient capital-raising step that gives the company runway to execute on its plan. That infusion boosts flexibility and fuels execution. Next, a strategic takeover and transformation story has investors buzzing. No Labs has been reimagined as USBC under new leadership, a move covered as a $1 million strategic change that brings new scale and vision. This isn't just a name change, it's a rebrand with a mission. Finally, the leadership shakeup could be transformational. Industry veterans with deep crypto experience, including attention-grabbing moves tied to Greg Kidd, are steering the company toward inventive digital dollar and stablecoin opportunities. Press coverage highlights a pivot toward a Bitcoin treasury and deposit token products, signaling a company that's embracing the future of money. Together, these headlines form a trifecta: capital, strategy, and leadership. Several powerful trends are lining up in USBC's favor. First, digital payments and tokenized deposits are accelerating worldwide. Governments, banks, and fintechs are all experimenting with digital currencies and efficient on-chain payment rails. A company that builds infrastructure or products for that market stands to win. Second, the crypto-native playbook is proving its worth. Companies that combine treasury-level Bitcoin exposure with practical, customer-facing token products create strong narrative value and fresh revenue pathways. Third, the funding runway and expanded sales agreement give USBC the ability to invest in product development, partnerships, and distribution. That's crucial in a space where first-mover traction matters. Look at corporate activity over the last months. Strategic takeovers, funding announcements, and publicized leadership moves. And you see our company assembling the tools it needs to scale. Markets reward companies that execute quickly in growing verticals, and USBC is positioned to capitalize on that dynamic. Why are investors getting excited? Because the pieces are coming together. Capital is in place. A clear strategic pivot is publicly announced. And the leadership team brings credibility in crypto and finance. Combine that with a fresh brand and a listing on NYSE American, and you have visibility plus optionality. For long-term potential, consider the addressable markets: digital payments, stablecoins, deposit tokens, treasury management, and tokenized banking services. These are multi-billion-dollar opportunities. USBC's recent moves show it is choosing to play in those arenas. As adoption of digital dollars and tokenized deposits grows, companies that already have infrastructure, partnerships, and regulatory awareness will find themselves in high demand. That's a powerful long-term narrative that investors love to back. This is the moment to watch USBC closely. When a company combines fresh capital, strategic transformation, and seasoned crypto leadership, momentum follows. If USBC delivers on product rollouts and partnership announcements, the market could re-rate the stock quickly. Hit subscribe so you don't miss updates. Smash that like button if you're excited about disruptive finance stories. Drop a comment. Tell me what headline you want me to deep dive next. I'll be tracking the next earnings, partnerships, and product launches, so you stay 2 steps ahead. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.